Yearly maintenance. Seasonal schedules. Just like our bodies or vehicles need a regular checkup, any building structure that houses people for any time period throughout the year will need some sort of service or maintenance. The building service or maintenance is necessary for its proper upkeep, safety, and building energy efficiency as the seasons change. All building structures are commonly designed with features and accessories that will serve a purpose for the structure according to the seasons. When these features and accessories are properly serviced and maintained, you can expect the building structure to perform at or near its optimal level of energy efficiency. If a building structure is not being properly maintained or serviced, then it will perform poorly, and its energy efficiency and usage will show up in the structure's energy bills. One way to keep the energy costs down for any building structure is to identify and create a yearly maintenance schedule for the structure. This schedule should include all mechanical systems, plumbing, HVAC, electrical as well. Creating a schedule with specific tasks to be performed in preparation for the changing seasons can also be beneficial. Below are some of the tasks that should be included to help maintain the building structure's energy efficiency. In the fall season, just as in the spring season, you will need to conduct maintenance checks both on the outside and on the inside of the structure. Start outside first with all the windows you can access or reach. When inspecting the windows from the outside, be sure to check the window gasket seals and caulking around window panes. The exterior doors should be included on the schedule. The weather stripping around all exterior doors should be checked for worn or damaged weather stripping around the door. The exterior siding and foundation should be checked for holes and cracks. Make sure storm windows and storm doors are in good condition as well. The gutters on the roof system should be observed or inspected at least once a year. Though natural surroundings will probably determine the frequency of maintenance for roof system gutters, keep in mind that roof gutters perform best when they are clean and free of debris. Gutters that are full of debris become heavier than normal and start to separate from the roof. In addition, observe the condition of the chimney from the ground for holes or cracks and loose flashing. Check for any loose flashing around vents and skylights on the roof area also. Overall, the outside maintenance schedule should help prevent or minimize the building structure's heat gain or heat loss. On the inside of the structure, you will want to check the caulking and weather stripping on all windows and doors again during the fall. Moving to other areas in the structure, check all faucets for water leaks. Call to schedule service for the water heater and HVAC heating system, and clean the refrigerator coil located in the bottom rear or front of the refrigerator with a vacuum. Next, check the insulation in the attic. The inside maintenance schedule should help prevent or minimize heat loss or heat gain and maintain or increase the structure's energy efficiency. For outside maintenance in the spring season, you will perform the same checks as done in the fall season. One additional thing you might want to do outside in the spring season is to check that all door and window screens are installed. The inside maintenance schedule during the spring season might include cleaning the dryer vent on the clothes dryer. All air conditioning vents, air supply, and air return vents should be cleaned as well. Check refrigerator and freezer door gasket seals to ensure they close tight. Again, check all faucets for water leaks and check the attic for proper ventilation. The attic fan should be turned on or the attic vents should be open. Because blinds and curtains can be used to block out the additional heat load from sunlight or sun rays, window blinds and curtains should be inspected also. As you perform your maintenance checks, keep in mind that there are many different building structures. The seasonal maintenance required will be very similar, but can vary according to the structural details. The main focus of the seasonal maintenance schedule is to help keep the building structure operating at good energy efficiency levels. Additional tasks can always be added to your outside and inside maintenance schedules. Any task that you cannot perform or unsure about servicing should be passed on to a professional of its respective trade or skill. What you should know. Now that we have reached the end of this book, we'll close with a few more things that you should know to stop wasting and start saving. The local utility company that supplies electricity to your building structure usually will bill you at the rate of kilowatt per hour usage. 1,000 watts are equivalent to 1 kilowatt. If you want to know how to read your electric bill, then you must know this conversion from watts to kilowatts. For example, if the electric bill for the month is $125 US, then how many watt hours were used in that month? To find the answer, you can start here. $125 divided by 30 days equals $4.16 per day usage. Only using an average of 9 hours a day, we divide $4.16 by 9 hours to get 46 cents per kilowatt hour. 46 cents per kilowatt hour times 1,000 equals 460 watts per hour in use. Then 460 watts per hour times 9 hours equals 4,140 watts daily usage. 4,140 watt daily usage times 30 days equals 124,200 watt usage for the month. 124,200 watt for the month divided by 1,000 equals $124.20, estimated $125 monthly electric cost. Using this formula, find and control your home wattage output. Knowing your building structure's wattage capacity could help control its electrical usage. In a similar fashion, the water company bills you at a rate of per gallon of water used. This service can become costly if your building structure has noticeable water leaks at or around its plumbing fixtures. Ideally, a good plumbing installation is a building structure without any water leaks at or around its fixtures. A monthly water service bill can be reduced by diverting, filtering, and recirculating the building structure's gray water. Gray water is wastewater that is produced from the drainage system. This wastewater does not contain any solid waste like that of the wastewater from a urinal or water closet, toilet. It is a mixture of dirt, soap, or possibly other cleaning agents and the water used from faucets. The HVAC system is designed and installed according to the size of the building structure and some of its heat load, heat energy producing components. You should always know the size of your HVAC system in the event you need to replace or upgrade it. The system size is measured and rated in tonnage, that is, tons of cooling. The HVAC gas-fired heating system is measured in BTUs, that is, British thermal units, as well as the gas-fired water heater. The HVAC electrical heating system and electric water heater will be rated in kilowatts, heating elements, along with a rating for the electrical supply voltage and amperage, volts and amps, for use in operation. As expected, having an undersized or oversized HVAC system on the building structure can result in higher energy use and higher energy cost. For our last point, remember that the building structure is made up of several different materials and equipment specific to its function or purpose in the structure. When there are repairs to be made on or around the building structure, it is always recommended to have a qualified person perform the repair. The repair or upgrade should be done using the same or similarly approved materials or equipment. Failure to repair or replace materials and equipment of the same or similar approved quality will most likely lessen the energy efficiency of the building structure, ultimately causing you to spend more and save less.